Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to upload story on Instagram from PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your computer. Then, go to instagram.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Instagram feed just like on mobile. Next, right-click anywhere on the screen and select Inspect or press Ctrl plus Shift plus I. At the top of the panel, click the mobile device icon. Refresh the page. Now, your Instagram will look like a mobile version. Then, click the Your Story or plus icon at the top left corner. Then choose a photo or video from your computer, then click Open. You can now add text, stickers, or effects just like on phone. When you're done, click Share to your story. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.